Hi my friends, today is 2nd October 2020 and today is Friday. So what I've done today is just a small concreting of a small portion of stormwater drainage wall, which is this one here, and also I stripped the formworks from this clean out. So this is the clean out I was telling you. So I'm gonna put this is the pipe. This is the pipe here, and then the pipe there, and this will have a cover. So whenever my son can check if there's a plug or blockage on this pipe, he can clean it. So yeah, like what I said, I just removed the stripping of formworks today. There, and also I stripped the formworks on this another clean out. I haven't removed this block because it's too tight. It might damage the edge, so I just need to wait for maybe another 7 days because it's still wet. It's only 3 days, so when it achieves about maybe 14 days strength, then I can remove it. Anyway, it's not a prerequisite to do that. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna put the formworks on the side here for a stormwater drainage channel, and then if I have time I'm gonna pour it as well. Yeah, so far so good. This is what I've done yesterday. So I already put the formworks on the other side. Yeah, there's like a cavity there. It's just like opening, so I have to cover it with something, otherwise the grout is flowing when I pour it. And like what I said before, the thickness of wall in here or concrete here is about 20 to 40 mil from the face of peeling. Oh, probably, where's my measuring tape? So as of now it is 50 mil. That's a 50 mil. So maybe 35 mil thick of wall. So basically 70 plus 35, so this about 105 mil wall altogether, including on the other side of fence. Yeah, so there's 100 mil. 10, 20, 30, yeah, 65 plus 35 is 100 mil. 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 105 mil. So there's a 10 mil left. Yeah, so 105 mil altogether. And this is overhanging. It's like a cantilever. All right. So yeah, it's progressing now. So I got a lot of things to do on tomorrow. But I have to prioritize this area here because it involves stormwater drainage, and I'm gonna connect the subsoil drain in this part here, so like a T-joint, and it ends on this side here. So this is the highest point and this is the lowest point, and then it goes here. So that's the idea there. Alright, I have to knock off early today since I pour concrete in our areas. So this one here, I need to remove this after 2 more weeks. So when it achieves the at least 50% of the strength or 75% of the strength. Okay, I think that's all for now. And nice weather today. Just a bit of patchy clouds. Yeah. It's okay, sunny. Look at that bumblebee sucking the yes, look at the bumblebee. It's sucking the flowers nectar. So awesome. Okay friends, thank you so much for your time, and so we're progressing on this project, although it's a bit slow because I need to wait at least 3 more days before stripping the formworks, and then I can carry on with the next activities. So I apologize for the delay, but maybe in a week time we can finish this area here. It's weather permitted actually, but October is mid of spring, so it's like summer already. Okay, thank you so much. Bye for now. God bless. Please be safe. See you soon. Bye for now.